Setting precision in Python. Setting precision in Python means how many values you want to display in a floating number after decimal. For this, I take a simple code to calculate the average of 3 marks. For this, I perform sum of 3 marks divided by 3 and run this code. I put any 3 values, for example 42, 41 and 32. This is my output, 38.3333336 up to 15 decimal points. For this I use round function average comma 2. So this will set my precision to 2 points, 42, 41, 32. This is my output, 38.33. So friends, this is another way. I use format function in the following way. This is the syntax of the format function. You can see format average. Now again I run this code. Again I input the 3 values. So now you see 38.33, 38.33. So friend, there is another way to set the precision, same as we using %f in C language. So this is the syntax. Again I run this code. Now 42, 41, 32, again 38.33. Thank you very much.